Can't find you guys. Yeah. She says, save me from him. Save me. Okay, guys. Get off of me. Whoa, kind of mad. He got kind of mad about that, didn't he? Oh my goodness. All right, look what's happening to me here, guys. Hey! Thank you. We don't need to carry it up a notch to ugly. Come on, let's go. We're walking. Come on. Let's go. Cooper, you might need to go and get those little things cut off. Hey, Yeah, you might need to go to the vet and get those things cut off. What do you think? Excuse me. Just a humping machine is what he is. Oh, God, you guys. Really? Hey! You don't grab my coat. Keep moving. Keep moving. Wrong. Okay, I can't video you when you're at my knees, everybody.